What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. You know what time it is? It's that time of year again. I've been partnering up again with Temu, and they've sent me out a bunch of cool stuff. And if you use my code from this video and download their app, you can get a $100 coupon bundle and pick up something really cool. You can pick up what I got or something else. But either way, go check them out, and let's get into what they sent me. Well, guys, I got quite a haul this time. Now, a little bit of history of me and Temu. We've been doing this off and on for the past couple of years. About this time, Quintal, one of the guys that I guess he's a collaborator with them or whatever else, he'll reach out to me and say, hey man, you want to do another Temu video? And I'm like, sure man, let's do it again, let's have some fun. And this time around, you know, I was going through all the products that they had, looking at it, and I was like, man, what can I do that would make for a really cool, fun video, you know, as far as getting some stuff, because there's tons to choose from on Temu, guys. They got good prices and all sorts of things. But this thing right here really piqued my interest. I was like, a Devilbiss gun, when I looked at it at first, and I'm like, a Devilbiss gun. It looks just like it. It's got the pattern on it. It's got a cool little, like, insignia on the side of it. Got like the ghost girl or whatever with the spider webs and everything else. Like a very common looking gun that I think I've seen before. But then I noticed the stamping on it. It's not a Devilbiss, it's a Devilbiss. With a D, not a B. So I was like, what? A Temu Devilbiss gun. I gotta try it. So I picked that up right there. It comes with the full kit. It looks like it's good quality. I really don't know until we test it out, and we're definitely going to test it out in this video. I wanted a small gun because, you know, I'm always doing fenders and stuff like that, and I've got a couple small guns, but all of them have like an 0.8 tip or a 1.0 tip. I wanted a small gun that had a 1.2 tip, so something with a little bit bigger tip that I could use to spray fenders and not have to mix as much paint. So I got this Intools MP102. It's an LVLP, pretty much a touch-up gun, but it's got a bigger tip on it, and you know, I figured it'd be a great addition to everything. And then of course, a water separator, a regulator, you need those with the fittings, the tool kit. And then I got some more hangers, guys. These little paint hangers come in handy. I've got them and used them in past videos to hang up my guns. And you've seen my collection. I've got quite a few guns. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway here soon. So I'm going to get rid of some of these guns. I got a couple brand new guns to give you guys. And, you know, just a way of saying thank you. But for today, guys, this is a really cool Temu haul. And they got tons of stuff on their website, so definitely use my code below, download the app, and go check them out. You'll get a $100 coupon bundle, and you know, it's a lot of fun just picking up some stuff. But all right, well, I guess I'm gonna hang a few paint guns real quick. I'm gonna get all this stuff set up, and let's test out all these spray guns and see what the Devilbiss will do. Alright guys, so the other day I shot a Fender's Brilliant Blue. It was a Krylon color, and now I've got this MP102 Intools gun that I got off of Temu with a 1.2 tip. Now, the advantage of this is I can spray just like with bigger guns, but with a little bit smaller tip and, you know, a little bit smaller amount of cleanup. So that's why I got this gun. And of course today, I'm going to shoot a little bit of Finish One Clear because that's what we do on Whitley Auto Works. And I've got this right here. OKINAWA blue, a really cool eye candy pearl, like a teal blue-green pearl. And I'm going to get me a popsicle stick, and I'm going to take a popsicle stick's worth, and I'm going to drop it in there. Just kind of get a nice little effect and stir this up real good. I'll bring you guys in close so you can see it. There you go. So there's Okinawa blue, so you can see it really good. A really cool blue-green pearl. I think this is going to look pretty sharp over that brilliant blue. Give it a nice compliment. So, all right. Well, let's load up this MP102 right here, and let's get to spraying some Okinawa blue. All right, guys, so as far as setup goes for this little gun, you got your air inlet right here at the very bottom. You want to open this all the way open. That's going to be controlled by your regulator. This adjustment on top is your fan pattern. You want it wide open because this is a really small gun and we're doing a very big panel. And then your fluid tip, you want to back this all the way out. You want to squeeze your trigger and then turn this nozzle in until you feel resistance on the trigger. Then turn another quarter turn in, and that'll give you full disbursement of your fluid. So as far as what this gun sprays best at, everything is saying 26, 28 PSI, wide open trigger. So that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. 1.2 tip, MP102, Intools. Here we go. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. Alright guys, I gotta say that MP102 from Intools off of Temu definitely laid that Okinawa pearl and that clear down good. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so I based the second fender in Rust-Oleum Gloss Black, and now we're going to try the Devilbiss gun. 1.3 tip, I'm shooting at 40 PSI wide open trigger because that's what the settings say to do. Same settings as the other gun we just went with. The pressure adjustment's down here at the bottom. You just let the regulator control it, open that wide open. Fan pattern is up top. I've got it about 7/8 of the way open, so almost completely wide open. And trigger, pull the trigger and dial it in until you get resistance, turn it a quarter turn, and you're good to go. So I filled it up with Okinawa blue pearl. We're going to shoot this over black, so you'll get a good comparison between the brilliant blue and over the black. And, you know, you can let me know what you like best, and let's see what this Devilbiss can do. So I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. Guys, I am thoroughly impressed. The Deitus gun has laid it down and it looks really, really nice. Not bad at all for some guns we got off of Temu, guys. It's an awesome haul today. Guys, I started out this video today for Temu with a little bit of a chuckle and a little bit of a punch to this gun right here. But honestly, both of these guns thoroughly surprised me. They laid it out great today. The little Intools gun, the little MP102 with the 1.2 tip, man, it laid everything out great over this brilliant blue with that little eye candy pearl. And then the Devilbiss of all things, man, it laid it out great over this black, and you got this awesome dark green color. So two different, very different options depending on what colors you shoot. It just goes to show you, pearls will surprise you, right? But these two products were awesome today, guys. Shout out to Temu for sending them out. You probably already seen my discount code down below. Enter that code, download the Temu app, and go pick you up a $100 free coupon bundle and go look at these guns. I got links to everything I got from them today in my video description, so you can see it. You can click on the links, you see the prices and everything else. But highly recommend either one of these products. I do not think you will be disappointed. And shout out to Temu again for sending these out. Awesome products, guys, at a very good affordable price. And you know, I've always stuck with the Temu guys. I mean, they've always been good to me. Quintal, I talk to him about once a year, and we get back together and we collaborate, and he sends out some really cool stuff. So, you know, I know everybody has their thing with who they like, who they don't like, but guys, awesome products, affordable price. Go check out Temu. You won't be sorry. And anyways, guys, that's going to be it for me today. Rate the spray outs. Rate the products 1 through 5, 1 through 10. Let me know what you thought of them. The eye candy pearls, I'm an affiliate with them, so I can get you a discount. If you want Okinawa blue, then I'll have a link down below. And, you know, enter code WALSHOP, W-A-W shop at checkout to get a discount. And yeah, well, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you will download the Temu app and go pick out something awesome. Shout out to everybody for watching today. Shout out to Temu for sending out the products. I'm John from WHITLEY. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.